Students, now we will see next topic, trigonometric identity. As we know that in algebra we had some identities. So like that we have some identities in trigonometry also. Okay. So let us find out that identities. For that here I drawn one right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree and angle C I denoted as theta. Okay. So I wrote here in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is theta. So as we already studied how to write the trigonometric ratios for this angle theta. There are 6 trigonometric ratios that we studied. So let us first write down that 6 trigonometric ratios. First ratio is sin theta. So formula for sin theta is side opposite to angle theta. So this side is opposite side, this side is adjacent side and this side is hypotenuse. Okay, side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse. So we will get AB upon AC. Okay, next trigonometric ratio is cos theta. Formula for cos theta is side adjacent to angle theta upon hypotenuse, means BC upon AC. Next is tan theta. Tan theta formula is opposite side to angle theta upon adjacent side to angle theta. So AB upon BC. These 3 trigonometric ratios you already studied in 9th standard, plus 3 new ratios we studied here. Next ratio is reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. So cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So we will get AC upon AB. Hypotenuse upon opposite side. Reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. AC upon BC. And reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. BC upon AB. Okay. These trigonometric ratios we studied how to write. Okay. Now, this is right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem here. So by using Pythagoras theorem here we will get AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. Okay. The same statement we can write like this way. AB square plus BC square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay. Here give statement number 1 and reason we will write Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now here both the side of this equation we will divide by AC square. So each term we will divide by AC square. So here we will get AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square is equal to AC square upon AC square. And reason we will write dividing both the sides by AC square. Because to convert this expression into trigonometric identity we require ratio. Okay, so that's why here we divided by AC square. Now AB square upon AC square we will write in bracket AB upon AC bracket square. Okay, plus BC upon AC bracket square. equal to AC square upon AC square is equal to 1. Okay. Now here we got ratio. Now this compare with this trigonometric ratio. First ratio we got AB upon AC. So AB upon AC is equal to sin theta. Second ratio BC upon AC. BC upon AC is equal to cos theta. So here we will get sin theta bracket square plus cos theta bracket square is equal to 1. Okay. Now the square of trigonometric ratio is written sin theta bracket square. This square is written as sin square theta plus this cos square theta is equal to 1. This is our first trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now let us find second identity. Okay. For second identity, again we will go for the statement number 1, that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now here what we will do? We will divide both the sides of this statement by AB square. Okay. Previously we divided by AC square. Now we will divide by AB square. So here we will get AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square is equal to AC square upon AB square. Okay. Both the sides we divided by AB square. Here we will write reason dividing both the sides by AB square. Okay. Now here AB square divided by AB square we will get 1 plus, let this square we will write in bracket, BC upon AB bracket square is equal to AC upon AB bracket square. Therefore 1 plus, now again observe these trigonometric ratios, BC upon AB we got. Now BC upon AB is equal to cot theta bracket square. AC upon AB is equal to cosec theta bracket square. Okay, follow this step. Therefore 1 plus, now how to write this square? Cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So this is our second trigonometric identity. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay student, we got first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second identity we got 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay. Now we will get third identity. Okay. For first identity what we did? We divided both the sides by AC square. Okay. For second identity we divided both the sides by AB square. Now what we will do? We will divide both the sides by BC square. So here we will get AB square divided by BC square plus BC square divided by BC square is equal to AC square divided by BC square. And here we will write reason dividing both the sides by BC square. Okay. Now this first square we will write in bracket AB upon BC bracket square plus BC square upon BC square 1 equal to, this also we will write in bracket AC upon BC bracket square. Okay. Therefore, now first ratio here we got AB upon BC. Now search here. AB upon BC is equal to tan theta. So here we will get tan theta bracket square plus 1 is equal to AC upon BC. AC upon BC is equal to sec theta. Okay. Now we make square here. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Okay. Now write it in proper way. We will write here 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. This is our third identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Followed? This way we got trigonometric identity. Students, there are 3 trigonometric identity. First is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second we got 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. And third identity we got 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Followed?